iron them out so that it can benefit you. I also want to say, wewe na Mwanawe University ambao wako clustered, nataka kumwambia sisi kama wajumbe, na tumeambia rais vile tuliangalia SHA na vile tunaendelea kuangalia SHA, hata maneno ya higher education tunaenda kuangalia, na kule ambao hakufanyi kazi we rectify so that our people can be happy. Nigetha mwetire thirikari ya mwasagurire. Na nikiendelea ndio nitasema, Bishop, as I stand here, tutaangalia hiyo maneno yote. Anything that will be coming up, we are going to be a listening government, and I want to be say as one of them, I'll be listening. Na wewe ambaye umekuja priesthood siku ya leo hapa kwa bishop wetu ambao tunapenda JJ, na roho yako iwe ilikuwa inasikia uchungu mwingi sana, na unasikia uchungu mwingi sana na serikali, on behalf of this government nataka kusema mtusamehe, tutasonga mbele pamoja, atumuachi nyuma. Especially priesthood, nyinyi mlikuwa wa kwanza kutafuta hii serikali, tutiramutiga, we have to move together. Na inyuĩ andũ a priesthood gutire gute mwana na kiraĩ na maĩ, hapana, mtoto wa baki tumwage maji na tuendelee mbele, because it is a time to forgive one another. Atĩrĩrĩa wanyonirie kuhoya nĩ ndakenire, ndamenya kurehe mabataro makwa kwĩ Ngai, ti ithuĩ kwĩ Ngai wĩiguaga. Na Biblia ĩgacoka ĩkaiga o Efeso atĩ ndũkanatutithie ngoro yaku ĩhũrĩte marakara. It is a high time to forgive and to move forward, because it is you, wewe na people mwamenana no anga ukimũingataga ukinyaga hwainĩ mũkohanĩra. Wewe na mwana mwamenana ukinyaga hwainĩ mũkohanĩra. Ona wewe mwene thirikari kurikinya hwainĩ tumĩohere na tuthonge hamwe tũrĩ othe, tondũ we nĩwe wamiethire.